Once in a cozy village, lived a kind-hearted man named Alex. He had a mysterious secret: every full moon, he transformed into a lovable wolf. His furry adventures began, bringing joy to the village kids. They played hide and seek, explored the enchanted forest, and helped others together. Alex's dual identity taught them the true meaning of acceptance and friendship, making every full moon an eagerly awaited night of enchantment and wonder.